Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're showcasing what we believe is the best laundry detergent shelf you can buy, the iDesign Detergent Riser in Clear. Right from the unboxing, you'll notice the clean, minimalistic look. The iDesign Riser comes in a transparent, high-quality plastic that seamlessly blends into any laundry room, whether you've got a modern setup or a rustic one. Its crystal-clear construction keeps things visually tidy while elevating your detergent bottle just enough to make pouring easier and more ergonomic. So, let's talk about the practicality. This product is all about form-meeting function. The riser elevates most standard detergent dispensers, making it easy to slide a cup underneath the spout without lifting the entire bottle. No more spills. No more heavy lifting. It's especially handy for those bulky detergent containers that can be a strain on your wrists and back. On top of that, this riser features a compact footprint, so it doesn't take up unnecessary space. It's only wide enough to support your detergent bottle securely, leaving you with more room for storage or folding laundry on top of your washer or shelf. It's the little details like these that make a big difference in tight utility spaces. Now, let's take a closer look at its build quality. The iDesign Riser is made from a durable, high-grade acrylic. It feels solid, and it's strong enough to support large detergent jugs without buckling. There are also small, molded ridges on top that help keep your detergent bottle from sliding around. Smart, simple, effective. Cleanup is also a breeze. Spills wipe off easily, and the acrylic doesn't cloud or stain. That means this riser stays looking sharp even after months of regular use. It's not only a solution for better function, but also one that holds up well over time. And here's something you don't always think about until it's too late: stability. The base of the riser is flat and balanced. You won't find any wobbling or tipping here. It gives you that sense of reliability, whether you're dealing with a half-full bottle or a brand new, heavy one. So who is this for? Honestly, anyone who uses liquid laundry detergent in a dispenser bottle. Whether you're outfitting a new laundry room or just trying to fix the annoyance of awkward pours, the iDesign Detergent Riser is one of those low-cost upgrades that completely changes your daily routine. To wrap it up, the iDesign Detergent Riser, Clear, offers a brilliant combination of utility, aesthetics, and durability. It's sleek, it's strong, and it solves a very real problem in laundry rooms everywhere. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, give us a like, drop your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more practical product insights. See you next time.